Hi everybody, it's me Tess with Tess Loves Yarn, and you guys, I am here today on my birthday. Yes, it's my birthday. I am old-ish, but that's okay because I'm young at heart. Yeah. All right, today we are here with a short little video because we're all getting ready to go out. I am down at the Lake of the Ozarks with my sister, my friend, and my sister-in-law, my niece, and my daughter. 6 of us. And we are celebrating my birthday, and we're gonna hit the outlet mall in about 15 minutes. We're leaving. So, quick video, but you guys, this arrived at my house yesterday, right before we left to come to the lake. Yes, it is my Crochet Society box. So what I thought I would do, since it's my birthday, I would open it with you guys and show you all the goodies, right? So here we go. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, it's got cute little, like, monstery things, you guys. That is amazing. Okay, let's see what's in here. Holy cow. Okay, so we have our booklet, Crochet Society, August 2025. Oop, you guys, we got lots of eyeballs. Look at them eyeballs. Oh, we have fluff, otherwise polyfill, so we know this is gonna be Amigurumi. And let's see. Let's look at the yarn. We have, oh my gosh, you guys, look at all this yarn. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 50-gram balls of yarn. Let me see if I can get these all out. And they are Crochet Society Confection DK. So it's a DK weight, which is a number 3 weight in the US. It's 100% acrylic. We have Ice Pop. We have Limoncello. We have Watermelon. We have, let's see, Fondant Fancy. We have Orange Slice. We have Creamy Coffee. We have Royal Icing. Oh my gosh, there's more than what I thought. There's 10. I didn't see this black, which is Licorice. And then we have, let's see, Rosy Apple, which there's nothing rosy about it. I would say that's more a green apple, but I don't know. That's me. They didn't call and ask me. I don't know why. Anyway, we also have Eclair. So 2 browns and then an amazing assortment of different colors. And then we have our goodies, because we always get goodies. So here are our goodies for this kit. And that is, oh my gosh, you guys, how cute are these? Look at these. These are Amigurumi tools. And what these are used for, if you don't do make plushies or amigurumi, y'all know I do that for my markets, right? So these are what you can hold the different parts together while you sew them. Like, these are great for the head. When you're like, you just put them in to the body, and then you can sew the head onto the body with these. And look how cute they are. They got these little corgis sleeping. Amazing. Then we have, oh, we have some nice big Amigurumi darning needles. Look at that, you guys, because you need the longer needles to go through the body, right? Yeah, makes sense. Oh, and we have more eyeballs. These are glitter eyeballs. So we have regular Oh no, these are glitter eyeballs too. We have 2 packages and they are all the same size, but we have 2 packages of glitter eyeballs. Then we have our little lightweight stitch holder, which I love these stitch holders because they don't weigh your stitch down. Nobody wants their stitches to be like pulled down and stretched out, right? So these are extremely lightweight and they don't do that, and they're very easy to use. You see they have this big lobster clasp on here. So I love these, love them. Then we have pins. And once again, this is for holding parts together on your amigurumi, okay? So that's wonderful. Then we have our polka dot. Look at that, our little polka dot crochet hook, which is amazing. And then what is this, you guys? We have this. I don't know what this is. So we are gonna open that and see, but this is our last item. Oh, it's a magnetic case. So this is a magnetic case for your pens. So you can put pens or darning needles, anything made out of metal will stick to this because it's magnetic, okay? So that's what we have. That's nice, I like that. Looks like a little cosmetic compact. You know, gotta love that, right? So anyway, yes, for your like darning needles. So very cool, very cool. Now let's quickly look at our projects in the booklet. Let's see, here's our booklet, and you see this matches the box. It's a Small Stitches, Great Big Wonders, right there. So pretty, right? Okay, so project number 1, you guys. Let me see. Now, the designer for this kit, let's see who the designer is. It's Sarah Jane Hicks, and that is her, Sarah Jane Hicks. She is the designer of this month's kit. So what we have is Bernie, the birthday kit. Isn't he cute, you guys? He's adorable. So we have Bernie, very simple stitches, slip stitch, chain, double crochet, 2 together, half treble, treble, and a bobble stitch for him. Okay, pretty easy stuff. Plus you get a video with these. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by Crochet Society. I bought and paid for my subscription all by myself. Here they talk about what's in the box. I already showed you the Confections DK yarn, which is 100% acrylic DK, the Cute Kitty stitch marker, the luxury crochet hook, the Sheba plush pens, the glitter eyes, the all essential pens, and the handy magnetic needle case, and the Amigurumi tapestry needles that are extra long. So that just gives you a rundown of everything in it. And then we have Pupcake. How cute is that? Instead of cupcake, it's Pupcake. You gotta love it, you guys. All right, our next pattern. Oh, also easy stitches, everybody. Easy stitches for that one as well. That one does call for a few back loop, front loops, which can be a little more challenging for a beginner. But once again, they do have a video. So yeah, there's no issues. And their videos are very good. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by them, but if they ever want to sponsor me, woohoo, I'm here. All right, next is Caticorn. So it's like a take on a unicorn, but it's a cat. So it's a Caticorn. Super cute, you guys, super cute. And then the next item that we are going to have in this is, oh, Puppuccino. Oh my gosh, you guys, y'all know I love my coffee and tea, so puppuccino, I might be making puppuccino right here. This is what I might be making out of this kit. All right, super cute, you guys. Super cute. And very, once again, pretty darn simple stitches. They do have a back loop only and a front loop only, but you know, that's super easy, y'all. It's not hard. You just go in one loop, like the front or the back, whichever one it specifies. It's not hard at all, okay? And then, of course, on the back, you have your conversion guide, because Crochet Society terminology is always in UK terminology, which is different from US terminology. So if you're in the US and you're brand new at getting this kit, do not follow these directions. Your project will turn out horrible because the terminology is different. Refer to the chart and make the conversions. Okay, so you guys, I know it's a quick one, but like I said, it's my birthday and I'm going shopping, and oh my gosh, if I could find a yarn shop, I would be tickled pink. I'm telling you, happier than a pig in slop, right? You know it. All right, everybody. So it's a massive thank you to all of my subscribers. And if you're new here and you like me, I would be so excited if you hit that subscribe button. It's free for you and it helps my channel tremendously. So thank you, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all soon. Okay? Bye.